Hi Renovators! So again, welcome to my page and i-discuss ko lang kung ano ba yung steps to start renovation on a condominium unit. So ito yung pinaka-favorite ko mga condo unit, especially pag sa renovations. So let's go! So for steps to start renovation on a condominium unit is step number one. Step number one is go to your admin office or go to the kumbaga is pupunta kayo sa pinaka-admin ng building or ng condo nyo. Then pag pag punta nyo ng admin is pinakahanapin nyo dun is yung parang pinaka property engineer or building engineer. Yun ang pinaka number one yung hanapin. So yun. Then step number 2 is magtanong ng mga requirements kung ano yung pinaka requirements for the renovations. For example, mostly ang hinihingi dyan is kung may plano, scope of works, kung ano yung mga gagawin. So, ayun. Then, step number 3 is, of course, is get a contractor. So, contractor like me, like us. So contractor like us na nagre-renovate talaga ng mga condo and commercial unit, house, ganun. So, ayun. Then, of course, after you have get a contractor, of course, magpa-estimate. Step number 4 is magpa-estimate sa contractor. So, after you have magpa-estimate sa contractor, ipapersonalize nyo or i-detalye nyo sa contractor nyo kung anong gusto nyo talagang gawin. Kung ano yung gusto nyang paintings ng wall, ng ceiling, tapos yung kumbaga yung kung ano yung gusto nyo maging additional material decor, yung sinasabi ko na discuss ko last time is low end, mid end or high end, of course. And so yun. Then, step number 5 is after nyo kumuha ng contractor, magpa-estimate sa kanila is hingiin nyo yung mga plans na requirement for the renovations. Mostly, ang magbibigay nito is yung contractor nyo. So, after mabigyan ng contractor nyo yung mga requirements ng admin like floor plan, ceiling plan, plumbing plan. So, after nyang mabigyan ng contractor yun is i-forward nyo na sa admin office yung pinaka mga designs and plan. Then, step number 6, hindi to applicable sa lahat pero some of the properties or condominiums is nagre-require sila ng tinatawag na bond. So, pag sinabing bond or kumbaga is construction bond, pag sinabing construction bond, ito yung parang pinaka-assurance. Mostly nagre-range siya ng 10 to 50,000. So, mostly refundable naman yun. Basta walang, kumbaga is ito yung parang pinaka-assurance ng property management or condo na walang madadamage sa unit. Kasi kung minadamage sa unit is binayaran yung construction bond is hindi nyo mare-refund or kumbaga is mababawasan na pang-repair dun sa na-damage nyo. So, ayun, step number 6 is after nyo makabayad ng construction bond, nabigay nyo na yung mga designs, yung mga plano, is kumuha na kayo ng work permit. So, sa work permit, si building engineer ang magbibigay nun, kumbaga siya rin ang mag-approve. Yun. So after nyong karon ng work permit is start na your renovation. Of course, ilagay niyo yung work permit sa yung mostly dapat sa may pintuan. Kung hindi naman papayagan sa may pintuan, at least ibibigay niyo sa guard para may information ang security na may renovation kayo ongoing. Of course, ang mapapayo ko is follow the admin rules ng condo. Especially kunyari kung may limited lang yung working hours, noisy works. So, ayun. So, hopefully is makatulong ako sa inyo is or tips on how to start your renovation on a condominium unit. So, thank you again and hopefully you can subscribe and of course check our Facebook page. So, bye.